Roberts Jewelry is located at 312 Main Street, Madawaska, Maine, and has been a family business for 2 generations. They opened their doors to the public in 1955. The original owner, Robert Corey, worked in Portland for a chain jewelry company when, in 1955, he decided to leave the company and open up his own business. When they first opened, they were located where Vinnie's is currently located now, which is on 12th Avenue. They relocated again to a building that had apartments on Main Street that later caught on fire. After their second fire, the owners decided to retire. Their son decided to move the company across the street and reopen the family business. They haven't moved since. Some of the main objectives of Roberts Jewelry is to provide their loyal customers with a large assortment of fine jewelry. Besides providing fine jewelry, and just to name a few, they provide high-quality wedding gifts, a full line of Yankee brand candles, specialty pens, watches, scarves, and clocks. Roberts also provides watch and jewelry repairs. Current owner Robert Corey Jr. started working in the business with his father and other siblings when he was just 8 years old. Bob is a gemologist and is qualified to identify and appraise 200 of the world's most valuable minerals. Roberts Jewelry is a great place to go to buy something special for someone you care about. With fantastic prices, Roberts has plenty of choices to choose from for any occasion.